Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're taking a look at the Boones Farm Sangria flavored grape wine. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Now, it says serve cold. I did have this on ice for a few hours, so trust me, it's cold. You can actually see. Let me just touch on the bottle. Grape wine with natural flavors, a light refreshing taste of fresh, ripe citrus, vented and bottled by Boones Winery, Modesto, California. Alcohol 7.5 by volume, contains sulfates. And Surgeon General's warning. Now, I didn't know Boones Farm made the sangria, and some of you may already know this, some of you may not already know this. A few years back, Boones Farm changed their ingredients for their wine. Now, the reason that makes a difference is, like, let's say you're in Pennsylvania, and they have liquor stores and beer distributors. Liquor stores, you buy your whiskey and your wine. Beer distributors, you buy your beer. Okay? Simple. When they changed this, I forget what the additives, like barley or malt, it became considered a beer, so they had to sell it at a beer distributor. You couldn't get it out of the liquor store. I know some people were telling me Boones Farm tastes different than what it did years ago, but that's probably why. It's because they actually changed the ingredients. But I didn't know they made the sangria. You know, in my younger days, we used to drink Boones Farm because it was cheap. This bottle was around $3, so it's still pretty cheap. It smells fruity, but not perfumey fruity. I mean, it does have a stronger alcohol smell to it than some wines, but it's not overbearing. And you can see the wine has bubbles in it. And in my opinion, wine shouldn't have bubbles in it, but it is what it is. I really don't think that's from me pouring it. I think it's actually from the wine. Let's go ahead and give it a little taste. Now, I can't say this is the best sangria I ever had. I definitely can't say it's the worst sangria I ever had. I'm going to say it falls right in, average at 2.5 stars for the taste. But you had the $3 price tag. Yeah, that jacks it up because you're getting a good value for your buck. So price-wise, I think they could probably charge more and get away with it. So that's going to be a definite 5. So 2.5 plus 5, what are we at? Like 3.5, 4. Let's give it a 4-star rating. If you like a cheap wine, I definitely go out and try this. And if you try it, let me know what you think. I think for $3, you're really not going to be disappointed. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thanks for watching.